Hi, Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and we're here today for two new product releases from DJI for their Avata series drones. The first release is the new DJI Goggles Integra. The lightweight DJI Goggles Integra adopts an integrated design that combines the headband and battery into one. No more messing around with cables, separate chargers, and with this design, you can now take these goggles on and off with ease. The Integra goggles are equipped with the DJI O3 Plus video transmission system, and they switch between the 2.4 and 5.8 GHz frequency bands to keep a stable signal with minimal interference. These are now available on floridadronesupply.com with a retail price of $4.99, and we expect to ship them within the next couple of days. The goggles can also be used while charging and will stay powered through several full battery drone flights. These goggles weigh 410 grams and deliver an HD experience with two micro OLED screens with a resolution of 1080p. The next release from DJI is the new DJI RC Motion 2 controller. The powerful and intuitive DJI RC Motion 2 provides convenient and responsive control, allowing even beginners to quickly enjoy the fun of motion-based flight control. With motion sensing technology, you can control the flight direction with just a slight turn of the wrist. In tandem with the joystick, you can easily navigate, maneuver, and explore the sky in a completely unique way. DJI RC Motion 2 is comfortable for extended use, and the accelerator, mode button, lock button, and many of the DJI RC Motion 2's other functions are optimized for single-handed use. Just point and fly. Take off and land with precise accuracy and richer dynamic movement, and even tackle more complex flight maneuvers such as darting left and right. The accelerator features a new reverse function that allows you to fly backwards in tight situations. Just back up the way you flew in and avoid a tight U-turn. The function dial makes adjusting the ISO, shutter, and other camera parameters a breeze. And quickly make adjustments without raising your hand to your goggles. This remote is also available at floridadronesupply.com and has a retail price of $239, and we also expect this to ship within the next couple of days. There is a link in the description below to these products, and if you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.